Imagine bypassing the sketchpad entirely and watching a professional custom emblem assemble itself in a matter of seconds. This diagram maps out the exact workflow we're going to follow. By the time we reach step 4, we will transition from a completely blank canvas to a premium, deployment-ready brand identity. You won't need to learn vector software to get there. We are skipping the steep learning curves and the expensive hourly rates of graphic contractors. Instead, we are routing our work through generative platforms designed specifically for this task, systems like Canva, Luca, and Logo AI. By following a specific sequence of inputs, we can reduce a weeks-long design cycle down to a few minutes of curation. Step 1 happens before you even open a browser. You need 2 hard data points locked in: your final brand name and the specific industry you operate in. Look at this interface mockup. We type our name, in this case Technova, and assign it to the technology sector. Then we hit Generate. That industry tag is crucial. It acts as a hard filter, preventing floral bakery patterns when you actually need sharp tech visuals. Next, the system prompts us to set aesthetic boundaries. We select Modern. Here is where most users stall out. They try to hedge their bets by clicking every style tile available. If you ask the algorithm to blend a rustic vintage look with a sleek futuristic layout, it attempts to average them out. The result is a muddled, unusable graphic. Your role in this phase is not drawing. Your role is applying strict constraints so the engine produces highly targeted concepts. The platform now calculates our specific constraints against its internal models. As you can see in this grid, the immediate output is massive. We instantly receive dozens of varied, fully assembled options to evaluate. Scrolling through this wall of concepts, our goal is to isolate a strong, futuristic base. Ignore the wrong font color or an odd typeface. You are looking strictly for good structural bones, a solid layout that we can mold. The real value of the machine is its capacity for rapid volume. It builds the foundation quickly, leaving the finishing work to us. Now we pull our chosen concept out of the grid and open the platform's editor mode. This split screen compares our start on the left to our modifications on the right. First, we replace the default text with sharper typography. Next, the dull blue becomes vibrant neon purple. Finally, the icon shifts up for perfect optical balance. Without these manual adjustments, the raw algorithmic output remains incomplete. It takes human art direction to pull the design into focus. The software executes the heavy lifting of composition in a fraction of the time, allowing you to step directly into the role of art director. We hit Download, extract the zip